find a way to go on. I know where I belong, so find me, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me. I know where I belong, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me. I know where I belong. Have you ever been so frustrated you can give up? So terrified where you end up? So many expectations that you place on yourself are too much for you to live up. The friends that you once had switch up. The wall in your eyes you can lift up. The people in your life criticize, but you really don't give a fuck. Forget about the troubles that you own. Forget about the mortgage on your home. Forget about the job that they forced you to quit. You about ready to quit cause it won't pay off your student loan. You alone, but you alone with an appetite. Everything that you have to write. My mom passed away with some credit card debt, and them motherfuckers are still looking for in the afterlife. My God, can a nigga find peace in death? Exhale from a decent breath. Just when you thought there was nothing in the respirator, you found air when you least expect. My grandma still got hope from my uncle strung out, locked up on a recent strip. That you can find faith in yourself and escape what is felt when you face with your deepest threat. Yes, Lord. Hands up, Bay Area. Where I belong. I know it's hard, I know where I went wrong. Now, gotta look and find a way to go on. Sing along with me, y'all ready? I know where I belong. Find me, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me. I know where I went wrong. Find me, find me, find me, find me, find me, find me. I know where I belong. And they say, go to school, get a job, a certificate. Feed into it, now you significant. But you hate where you work and your manager's a jerk. Or you only stay cause you need the benefits. What good is having health insurance when you ain't got no self-insurance? Then they say, like, you better watch what you say. And these songs being honest is a wealth deterrent. I just speak how I feel cause I feel it's needed. Y'all know I'm for real cause you see I'm bleeding. And you're proud that's a whole consuming into it, bro. When you try to reach for it, they cannot conceive it. Conceit is the language of the fallen. Everybody worried about falling. Everybody steps on the necks of each other, trying to get out the gutter. You be out for a second and you fall in. Lost in a cloud of emotion, screams from a crowd of commotion. All they do is force feed people what they want to. So they're like these rappers in their album promotion. Not just you, nigga, thousands are broken. Millions are hurting, billions are searching. If you can find faith in yourself and escape from yourself, you can finally find life in this. I know. Hands up! Make some noise for Rebecca Novell. Where I belong. I know it's hard, I know where I went wrong. Now, gotta look and find a way to go on. I know where I belong, so find me.